Hey guys, welcome to Insights with Anastasia. No, this is not a cooking video, unfortunately. Or fortunately, this is just me decided to record the video while I'm preparing lunch for myself. And what I wanted to discuss today is the hybrid work and why I like it so much. I always thought that I would want to have fully remote work, and that would be the best for me because I am not super social person. I'm an introvert and I like to, stay in my cave and do my stuff, and have like everything that I like around me, like my food, my I don't know, my table, my chair, everything, my cat. And I always thought that remote environment would be the best for me until I actually worked maybe a year and a half fully remote from home. So the company I worked for was in West Coast in California. And after a couple of months, I noticed that I really struggled with forcing myself just to go outside to meet with people and just have some social contact, just to socialize, just do stuff with other people. It was fine for me. I was like, oh well, this is probably typical me, not liking socializing a lot. But after maybe 6 months in, oh sorry, I, I'll clean it up later. I noticed that it was really difficult for me to talk to people in person. So I had my daughter, she was in pre-K at the time, and when I talked to the people like other moms and dads, I noticed the level of anxiety that I would experience was very high, which was a new, well, I do experience social anxiety, but the level of this anxiety was too high for me. It was really difficult to kind of force myself to go out for a walk or to go and meet with friends. That's why I realized that the full-time remote is probably not the best option for me. And then I took the job and I found a new one, which is hybrid. So basically I have 2 days in the office and I have 3 days at home, which is, I think, just perfect. So again, as I said, like hybrid work setup, when I work 3 days in the office and 3 days at home and 2 days in the office is perfectly fine for me, because these 2 days that I have to go in the office, it pushes me to go outside, meet people, like do makeup, look nice, put on some nice clothes. And I also try to have those 2 days when I'm in the office, put more meetings during those days so I have more in-person connections. I also like trying to meet with people, have lunch with colleagues. So this has really been helpful for me. And now I start to feel that I don't have this level of social anxiety anymore. I still have it. It's still difficult, especially when it's like a new environment or a big group of people where I have to present or where I have to talk to people. But the intensity of the anxiety not as strong as it was before. I guess that's what I wanted to say, because many people who are struggle with social anxiety and struggle with I don't know, they're like being introverts and they like to stay at home and they don't like to socialize much. They might make a big mistake when they cut all of the social context, when they go full remote, because it can hurt them in the long run. At the end of the day, we are all social creature. We all need some sort of like social connections. And also, I think when we have the social connections, we just practice to feel like we practice and practice, and it becomes less a struggle for us. That's why I guess I have less social anxiety now. So yeah, this is my short video that I wanted to make and to share with you guys. Let me know in the comments below how it is for you. Did you have like similar experience with me when you work remotely and maybe you struggle to socialize after that? All right, guys, thank you for listening in. My salad is ready, so I'm ready to have lunch. Thank you again for spending this a few minutes with me. Let me know again what you think about your work setup, what works for you best, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.